Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the camera ready. Make sure camera access is allowed in system settings, then open Photo Booth or press Shift plus Command plus 5 to show screenshot controls. Position your Mac so the camera is level, clean the lens, and use a soft, diffused light. This reduces glare and sharpens detail. Once done, choose Photo Mode in Photo Booth or click the Capture button in Screenshot. This begins the image capture process immediately, so frame your subject and keep still. Now refine how you capture. In Screenshot Controls, pick Full Screen, Window, or Selection to define the frame. Each option changes composition quickly. Use the timer for steady shots and enable the mouse cursor if you need to show UI elements. These small choices affect the final image. If you need higher quality, use Continuity Camera. Take a photo with your iPhone and insert it directly into your Mac app. Make adjustments, then click Capture to create the image file. Finish by saving and organizing. Screenshots go to desktop or your chosen folder, and photo booth images save to pictures. Make sure you know the path so you can edit. Open the file in Preview or Photos to crop, rotate, or annotate. These quick edits are non-destructive and fast. If something goes wrong, first check System Settings Privacy and Security to confirm camera permission, then restart the app or Mac. If persistent, disconnect peripherals and test again, because simple restarts often fix camera issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.